Nakagat pa ako ng walang hiyang to. Ih! Tintik matulis. Hello everyone, Claymore here. And it's a rainy night. Maulan dito sa Davao City. Medyo maingay nga ata sa background ko because of the heavy rains. So wala tayong magagawa ngayon. I figured that I will make a video of this exquisite pretty knife that I have, or we have just completed. Tingnan nyo naman. I wanna open this one up. There you are. Naked. A naked crocodile. So this is the latest one that has come out of my shop. And this is a collaborative work. Collab namin ito. JC Blades and The Bone Collector, Mr. Daryl Blatchley, itong kaibigan natin na may-ari ng The Bone Collector Museum ng Davao City. Oh, well, tatlo pala kami nag-collab nito. Joel Regala, local handmade leather, something like that. Dapat kasi palitan niya na yung pangalan ng ano niya shop. Mahirap. So this is a fighter knife. Kunin mo natin ng specs para magkaalaman sa dimensions. Handle niya ay nasa 4.5, and the blade is 8 inches. Saktong-sakto 8 inches. So, yeah, while this is a collab work namin, it's worth mentioning that ang nagdala talaga ng bida dito ay yung handle, made by Daryl Blatchley. He hand carved this crocodile buhaya. So I'm lucky to get to know this guy who is a very avid blade enthusiast, artist din. So nagka-interest din siya sa mga knives natin. So he offered collaborative works. So meron tayong nagawa na dati, yung Agila. And then dahil sabi niya, bakit ako lang meron? Collab nga, pero ako lang may knife, siya wala. So binigyan ko siya ng blade at ginawa niya ng handle. So gusto niya gumawa ng eagle pa rin. Sabi ko, why eagle again? Gusto mo yung eagle ah. Parang nagsawa na ako sa eagle dito sa Davao. So what do you suggest? Sabi niya. So I said, how about a crocodile? So, pinag-isipan niya, and then yung ginawa niya, walang niya. Kita mo naman ang resulta ng gawa niya. He made these carvings, ladies and gentlemen, overnight. Isang gabi niya lang ginawa ito. Tingnan mo yung details niya, oh. Parang buhay na buhay. So this was made out of mule deer antler. Mule deer antler. I don't know what that means. Anong diferensya na sa mga usa. Basta Amerikano ito na usa. Okay. So after carving it, may mga chemicals siya na pinapahid dito para mag-brown, and then ayan yung texture niya, parang totoong balat ng buhaya. So nilagyan niya ng turquoise na bato yung mata. Parang buhay na buhay. And then para sa ngipin, these are brass rods na pinatulis at binaon niya sa bunganga. Meron pang bungo, nakagat ng bungo. So this is a man-eater crocodile. Well, crocodile, it's worth noting that crocodile is also popular din dito sa Davao City because we have a crocodile farm like that. Tsaka pulis ako so bagay sa akin. Eventually this handle was given to me ni Daryl because of some considerations. So ginawan ko ng blade na bagay sa kanya. This is a fighter profile blade, 8 inches, makapal, medyo mabigat kasi lang naka-false edge siya, so medyo nabawasan ng konti. By the way, itong handguard niya, something like a handguard, is made of silver and an old coin. So meron din siyang artisan na gumawa nito. So apat kami pala na to na artisan na humawak sa knife nito. Magaling yung gumawa ng silver nito. Kasali na rin itong silver sa ngipin. So ayan, a very sexy knife that is worth keeping. This is never going to be on sale, and this is for keeps. I will keep it. Probably I'll put it inside the frame. Pagawan ko ito ng frame. By the way, yung ano pala natin, yung sheet natin ay leather pa rin, but I have Joel put some crocodile skin dito as accents. May inlay siya na reticulated python skin. May embellishments na crocodile tooth with silver casing. Ang kanyang strap ay leather pa rin na may python skin. So pag pinasok natin siya, ganyan. Ooh, what a beauty. What a beauty this one is. So I think that's about it. Pinagmamalaki ko lang itong gawa ni Daryl talaga. Okay. If you're in Davao, check out the Bone Collector Museum. Bisitahin yung the Bone Collector Museum pag nasa Davao City kayo. It's worthwhile visit. Okay, so kung di pa ka nakapag-subscribe sa Clam Sharp Stuff, subscribe naman tayo dyan. At para ma-promote pa natin itong gawang Pinoy, gawang lokal na mga kutsilyo. Alright, so stay safe everyone, stay sharp.